Here's how you can keep your Copilot conversations going wherever you are with the Microsoft 365 Copilot mobile app. Let's say you start on your computer and ask Copilot to summarize the latest updates on a project launch. Then, if you have to step away, open the Copilot mobile app to pick up right where you left off. Select the navigation panel. Go to Conversations and choose the recent one about project updates. From here, you can keep the conversation going and ask Copilot to create a status report for your leadership team. Review the draft and ask Copilot to refine it until it's ready. Back at your computer, open Copilot in Outlook. Bring up the same conversation. Copy the status update and paste it into your email to send.